like snowstorms and golden light in the lights you love. Canadian girls, irresistible, lovable, trouble, though sometimes, girls, we can travel the world.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Patriotism runs deep in our family. It is why we believe so strongly in putting Canada first. Because this country gave us everything. We are proud Canadians, not hyphenated ones, just proud Canadians. And we feel that it is now our duty to fight for our country. My brother Louis embodies that deep love for Canada, whether serving in the Royal Canadian Air Force or standing guard to protect Canada's sovereignty. His dedication to Canada has been unwavering. It is why it was also a no-brainer for me when my husband asked me to embark on this journey with him. Some ask, why do we do this? Why do we put our family through the challenges of public life? Well, the answer is simple. Because Canada is worth fighting for. Because our children, and yours, deserve a country as full of promise as the one that welcomed my family. Because the principles that made Canada great, freedom, responsibility, and opportunity for all, are timeless and worth defending. That is why my husband, Pierre Poilievre, has taken on this mission. Pierre has always been a fighter for families, for workers, for people who just want a fair shot at a better life. He knows that the strength of our country lies in its people, hard-working, resilient, proud Canadians who believe in freedom. Is you. Oh. Every generation of Canadians has faced its defining moments. Today, the stakes are higher than ever. This is our moment as a nation to choose a strong leader who will fight to put Canada first in everything. This is absolutely not the time to choose the same tired leadership that got us into this mess, even if they wear a new mask. Canadians cannot be fooled. This is the time to choose conviction and strength, and to stand up for all Canadians and put Canada first. And while threats are looming from abroad, only my husband can deliver that strong leadership needed to fight back. Today, we stand together in this movement to put Canada first. Not for elites, not for special interests, but for everyday people who make this country great. And to protect our country. So, let's take back our country. Let's put Canada first, and let's do it together. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my profound honor to introduce to you my husband, the strong leader Canada needs, and without a doubt, le prochain Premier ministre du Canada, Pierre Poilievre.